Hey guys, here 5 minus 5 is 0 times this 5 minus 5 is 0. Here 0 times 0 is 0. This is wrong as per the order of operations. Now we are going to talk about this order of operations PEMDAS. This here, this is bracket, this is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here this multiplication equal priority. This addition subtraction is also equal priority. For this, we are going to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. See, here we have subtraction, multiplication and subtractions, which is higher priority. This multiplication is higher priority than this both subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. So 5 minus, this is 5 times 5 is 25 minus 5. Here we have both are subtractions. Which action is first? We have to follow here left to right rule. For left to right is this action. So here we'll get minus 20 minus this 5. Here both are minus symbol. Now we are going to add this as minus 25 is the correct answer. So minus 25.